Good morning, everyone. You already know, we just woke up. We're at the beach today. We're gonna go for a run with the boys and have a great day on the beach, just chilling, living life, and hope you enjoy the video. We made it to the center, guys. We really went pretty fast for that run. I'm pretty tired. Waiting for my boy Tyler, he's coming up. Then we're gonna run back, probably at a slower pace, but a very good run, and get that cardio system going. All right, guys, we're gonna head on our way back now. I'm gonna hand the camera over to our videographer, Devin. And you see Anthony already got the head start up there. All right, here we go.
Here you know, best video guy out here. Got the fresh shades on. They're up front over there. If you can see, I'm gonna get close to them. Sorry that my voice is kind of bad. I don't like hearing my voice, but oh well.
We made it to the beach. Gonna go change, take our shoes, and I'll be back here to relax. So we had a short run today, only about 2 miles. I know it's not a lot, but hey, it's better than nothing. Just a reminder to always do something, because waking up early and doing a little run is better than staying in bed longer. Always.
Oh, no.
What's up, guys? Currently enjoying the day on the beach on the paddleboard. You already know. Out here in the ocean. It's really not that deep. I want to go in, but it's also a little cold. But just relaxing, having a great day. Look who it is! We have a fish sighting up ahead. They're splashing out the water. Oh my goodness, we're gonna get closer. Tyler thinks there's a shark. He's out of here. He's out of here. He's too scared. Look at them. You've all heard of herding cows. You ever heard of herding fishes? Nah, I don't think so. This is only seen on Little Muscle Mike channel. You already know we're chasing these fish because we do. Little Muscle Mike, more like Mountain Man Mike. We do whatever we do in the wild woods. No cap. This is the life. Look at him. Guys, fun fact, Tyler doesn't go in the ocean that much. Here he is, expanding his boundaries. You already know. Beautiful day. Hope you guys are enjoying it. Always staying active out here. Alright guys, let's go exploring down the ocean. We got Chef Devin cooking up some Annie's mac and cheese.
Watch how satisfying this is.
Oh, that's pure deliciousness right there. Pure deliciousness right there. We just gotta add in some butter, some cheese. Alright, this is not the healthiest thing right here, but it is delicious. I'm not gonna eat too much because we have 4 big boys that have to eat. So I'll keep in mind just only a little bit, but Annie's mac and cheese. Really the tip is to just drink water, helps fill the stomach. Sometimes after I eat I'm still hungry, so just drink some water, helps get rid of that hungriness. And even though you might drink the water so you're not hungry anymore, we always stay hungry because we always eating and grinding out here. We out here paddleboarding again, now in the marsh.
Chair on it. Focus.
Right now we got Tyler over here on the grill cooking the burgers. Tyler, show him what's up. Show him what's up. Ooh, yeah. Fresh hot patties. We got Devin he made the beans. Ate some nice dinner. You know, us boys know how to cook. All right, guys, so just ate dinner. Probably not the healthiest. Had a few burgers, but no bun though. So it was a low carb dinner, but wasn't the healthiest. But it is what it is. Tomorrow I'll probably be home most of the day, so I'll probably be able to eat healthier. And yeah, so it'll be easier to eat healthy. But I'll take some videos tomorrow. But I still gotta work out tonight, back and biceps workout, which me and my brother might go to Choice Fitness late tonight and get some clips of my workout, and I hope you enjoy it. Just finished that quick buys and tries workout. That was just some of it, and it's a pretty good workout, just solid little pump. It's been a long day, but hope you guys enjoyed it, and see you later. Niggas so you hear me say, no new friends, no new friends, no new friends, no, no, no.